if you want to activate the shake, for that maybe some you had opened a lot of apps and you want to minimize it, you can activate the shake action on Windows. While you shake, you just press outside the tab that you want to remain with. You just shake it, and all the other apps are minimized. So what you do, you come to to settings and search for multitasking. Multi, you search for multitasking multitasking settings. So once you're multitasking settings, you look for this title bar Windows Shake. So if it is disabled, if it is off, you put it on. And once you put it on, you just have to minimize all the tabs. You minimize, and when you come here and shake, all the apps that are minimized are shown. Once you shake it again, all the apps disappear except the one you're using. So it is called the shake. Once you shake, they are gone. You shake, back, shake, they are gone. That's how you activate it.